Hi, my name is Steve Nomura. I'm here in my rehabbing project. And we have been doing this for almost 2 months. Then we finished maybe 70–80% of the project so far. We already changed the location of the stairs. They also make it wider. Also, we changed the space of the kitchen. Also, we changed the location of the closet. Then we framed up, and then we already installed the drywalls. And we already almost finished the taping and patching. We are ready to painting. I'm gonna show you what we have done so far, area by area. This is the stair to the basement. Also, we made it 36-inch bigger. Okay, this is the kitchen. This is the most important part for any project, right? We closed the wall. It was stairs from here to the second floor. We closed the wall. And we made a bigger kitchen space. Also, especially here, this was a part of the closet on bedroom, but we open up. And then we're gonna use this space for the refrigerator and another 42-inch cabinet on the top and the bottom. This side, from here all the way to the wall, we're gonna install 42-inch cabinet, also sink and dishwasher and stove. This is a bedroom. Okay, we used some space of this bedroom to make a closet so that we can give more space to the kitchen. This is the second floor. Eventually, we took all wall down. Then we installed the new drywalls. This is a basement. We made a wider stairs to the basement. Also, if you look at this, my back, we installed drywalls everywhere, and also installed a new drywall on the ceiling too. We installed the can lights. Then we are now doing taping and patching. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please click the like button. Also, please subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified when we upload a new video, so that you can see the progress of this project.